welcome to Daily Dose with Muds. And it's been a while. Magandang followers yun. It's been a while na hindi ako nakapag-upload ng aking travel vlog, eme. It's because I've been through with my mental health challenges. So, ayun. Since okay naman na ako, and now I'm making new memories for 2025. So, lahat ng mga travels ko last year, hindi ko na siya ma-upload. Hanggang memories na lang sila. Like, Cornwall, Albania, Montenegro adventure ko, and even my Turkey as well. So, anyhow, this time, I will be doing a video, a very honest solo trip review that no one talks about. Yun yung gagawin nating video na why not, diba? So, first stop, visa, syempre. So, right now, I'm here in Manchester. I'm processing my Schengen visa. Ito na yung Uber ko.
So, nandito na ako sa BLS Spain visa application. Kaantay na lang tayo ng ating counter number. So, this is my first time na makasikaso ng aking visa na walang help. Like, do myself and my life. So, kaya naman yung solo travel. So, waiting in vain tayo ng ating number. And we are ready.
So, yun lang yun. So, for visa application, it took me less than 10 minutes lang para asikasuhin siya. So, pagdating ko dito, binigyan na ako ng number dun sa counter, and then pumunta ako sa counter 7 para mag-fingerprint. And then, that's it. Napaka-smooth ng aking process. Like, less than 10 minutes, tapos na ako. And then, mag-aantay na lang ako na ipopost nila yung passport ko sa bahay ko. So, we'll see kung ilang months yung ibibigay. So, sa next video, takits na lang tayo sa Barcelona. Nakakababa. This is it. See ya!